Watch this. Take a look at this.
This is the David protein bar. It has 20 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar. It's made with real ingredients and it tastes like a candy bar.
I love that, how she opens it up and tries it. Now, this is only an 8-second, 10-second video, and that's why I'm really big on being able to extend it out and making a full story out of it versus just the quick 8 seconds. It's not enough to really build off of, you know, just you want to build like a 15-30 second video, and that's why Topview, I believe, is the very best on really extending that and having a multi-scenes. You want to have multi-scenes, you guys. So we're going to be going over that right now using Topview AI and really doing the storytelling, doing the up to 12 different, you know, scenes and breaking it down and using the big secret, which I think is what Topview has, which is the AI video agent. Okay, so let me go ahead and play this video. This is a training video on how to use this tool, and we're going to be breaking it down together. Take a look.
Is Seedance 2.0, the Pro and Fast versions, alongside other highly advanced models like VEO, Grok, and Kling. You genuinely get access to a comprehensive suite of tools here.
So you guys get access to all the video models on Topview, but the best one that you want to be using is Seedance 2, and that's the standard model that they're using right now. So you could have VO3 or Kling, but you just want to be basically using the Seedance model and then using it with the video agent. Okay, take a look.
Navigate back to the home page. On the left side, you can open the agent directly. Now, I will input a detailed prompt requesting a Disney-style motivational story aimed at children, focusing primarily on human characters while making sure to include an animal in the story. I will leave the model on standard, as our goal is to utilize Seedance 2.0. We will set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the resolution to 720p.
Now, this is where I want to share you guys how important this is. See how you could make a 15-second video, a 30-second video, a 45-second or 60-second video, or you can make it 90 seconds. It's up to you. But another thing that you want to also be thinking about too, this is where you can upload photos of your product. Remember over here on Enhancer, how they use the photo over here, the David bar, the protein bar? That's where you would put the photos of your product in the reference area. So you would say, make me a UGC style video following my reference images, and then learn how he prompts this right here. This is really important, how he prompts everything. There are some really good secrets that I want you guys to follow. Take a look.
For the video length, I'm going to set this to 90 seconds. You have the complete freedom to adjust this duration to be
So for my dining chair covers, I would do like 60 seconds or 50 or 45 seconds is like the perfect sweet spot. And that's what I was saying. I was using the DVid tool over here, and it only does 8 seconds. You can extend it a little bit, but there's no storyboard feature. There's no AI video agent feature to really help me make it super successful, following the same person, following from seamless transitions. It doesn't help me do all of that like this Topview AI tool does. Take a look.
Short or as long as your project requires. But for this specific story, 90 seconds is perfect. With our settings locked in, I will hit enter. The agent is now initializing. It will analyze our request and carefully plan out the entire sequence based on our settings. As you can see, it has generated a complete plan, initially suggesting 7 distinct scenes, each with varying durations of 13, 12, or 10 seconds.
So you guys see that over here? It's got scene 1, 12 seconds, scene 2, 12 seconds. And it's basically building out what each scene should look like, but there's one extra prompt before he makes the video that he adds that I think is super important that we make sure all of us add to our videos. Let me share this prompt with you. It's super important.
However, I realized I omitted a few crucial details. I am now going to add some specific instructions. I will ask the agent to include dialogue within the story, ensure character consistency throughout all scenes, and make sure every scene connects smoothly with the previous one to maintain a seamless story flow.
So you guys see that? Before you even make your video, you're having the AI video agent create you the multiple different scenes, making sure that you're using the same reference character, and then you're also asking it to make sure whatever dialogue you want in the scenes, and then you're also asking to make it seamless transitions from one scene to the next, so it doesn't feel like a completely different scene. Like it's smooth. It's so smooth, guys. It's like, wow. It's like a real video cinematic quality when you see what this does here. I think this is so important to have a video AI agent when you're really making these AI videos. Take a look.
On the right side, there is a reference section. Here, you can upload your own local images, select images you have already generated within the Topview board, or create entirely new ones to visually guide your video. Returning to our prompt, I will submit these added dialogue and consistency instructions so the agent can update our plan. The agent is reanalyzing our detailed instructions and will present a revised strategy. And here is our newly optimized plan. It has now broken the story down into 9 separate scenes, allocating exactly 10 seconds per clip. The agent has provided a highly detailed description for each scene, ensuring everything aligns with our core prompt. I will proceed by clicking Insert Only. This brings us to a comprehensive breakdown of the 9 clips that will be generated for our multi-scene story. If you look closely, you will see an Enhance option next to each prompt. This allows you to automatically refine and expand upon the agent's descriptions. There is also an @ symbol feature. If you upload a reference image, you can simply type the @ symbol, followed by the image's name to tag it, and apply specific directions directly to that asset. Moving down, you also have the option to hit Enhance All to upgrade every prompt simultaneously, or simply hit Start Generation. Before we start the full process, let me demonstrate how the Enhance feature works on a single prompt. I will click Enhance on this scene. Initially, it was a simple one-shot prompt. Now the AI has intelligently expanded it into 2 distinct camera angles within that single 10-second clip.
Isn't that cool, you guys? Look how bad to the bone that is. So the Enhance feature takes the certain prompt that it had. It had like one scene in mind, a 10-second scene, but now it turned that one scene into 3 different scenes that are 4 or 5 seconds long using the Enhance feature. And remember, if you're doing a UGC style video, you want to have your reference images in there so it could say reference the product or reference the whatever product you're selling, a protein bar. For example, there's a product over here that's crushing it right now. I wanted to give you guys an example of this. It's called the Well Gummies Sleep Gummies, and they're doing millions of dollars right now. It's a melatonin type product that helps people sleep. They got a subscription model, and they have also a one-time purchase. And their best winning ad over here on Facebook ads is only 10 seconds long. Let me play it for you. Take a look. That's it. It's like you can't rest. You got all these things going on in your mind. All of a sudden you take 2 gummies and it's like a spa treatment. That right there, we can literally do in like 5 minutes on the AI tool is reenact that same style video using this product right here. You just have to upload this product as the reference images, what it looks like. And then literally you could then script out a lady laying in bed. She can't relax. She's like thinking about her day. And then all of a sudden she takes the 2 gummies and she just passes out like she's on a spa day. So I love the fact that we could build really cool e-commerce like videos by uploading our reference product and then making UGC style videos, or like a video like that, like she just can't relax and then boom, she's able to completely pass out with the different screens that we could show within our AI video, like using the AI agent like you saw here.
You also have the flexibility to click Add Scene at the bottom if you wish to insert more segments, and you can fully customize the duration of each individual clip using the drop-down menu. Everything is entirely adaptable. Let's go ahead and click Start Generation. Our multi-scene story is now in production. You can see the queue forming, and our first clip has already reached 12%. The AI will process these sequentially, building our story scene by scene. Our first clip has just finished rendering. So let's take a look.
One day, Pips, we'll find the lost star.
Notice the stunning Disney-style animation.
So this is powerful, guys. This is the next part of this training. I want to show you how it connects all together. Let me share this with you. This is the powerful part about it. How what you see, each scene connects, and that's why the Topview AI tool, I believe, is the very best. How it connects seamlessly from scene to scene. Watch this.
Imports all our clips directly into Topview AI's built-in timeline. The clips are arranged perfectly in sequence. Let me play a quick segment for you so you can witness how incredibly smooth the transitions are as the video moves from one clip to the next. It feels like one continuous, cohesive film rather than separate generated pieces.
One day, Pips, we'll find the lost star.
Look at that right there. You guys saw that?
Sure, Pips.
It was like it just went from scene to scene perfectly.
Sure.
Again, same thing.
We just have to keep moving forward.
If you want to watch this video,
So really cool. Now he does a few different style videos. This is going to be a UGC style video using the Topview tool. Take a look.
this UGC video.
Okay, so I've been using this for 2 weeks and I'm actually mad I didn't start sooner. It's this vitamin C serum glow drops. I know, everyone says vitamin C, but just watch. You literally only need like 2 drops. I just pat it in after washing my face. That's it. Nothing crazy. See, like that's not a filter. My skin is actually glowing right now. Seriously, just try it.
By simply providing a basic product image, the AI was able to generate an incredibly natural, highly authentic looking promotional video that is perfect for marketing purposes. Finally, let me demonstrate how to utilize the extend clip.
So what'd you guys think about that? This is the same thing as Enhancer over here, where you upload the reference photo, but he's showing the same exact thing, but you could extend it out and use the video AI agent model, and then also use it to make the scenes really connect seamlessly. I think that's fire. This is amazing, everyone. I think this is the future of AI video generation, is using this tool right here, how it is able to really help you make it work seamlessly so it doesn't look like a completely different video from scene to scene. Okay, and that's just one reference photo, and look what it did. I think that is fire. Let's go ahead and watch the next part here, how he extends out this one video. I think this is important. If you have a good clip that you really like and you want to extend it out, it does have that feature. Take a look.
Generated clip right here. I will select extend clip, input my new prompt, and increase the duration to 15 seconds. Next, I will click Enhance to enrich the prompt. The AI has expertly upgraded this prompt to include 4 different shots, meaning the camera will capture 4 distinct angles within this newly extended 15-second time frame. I will enter this to begin the generation. Now that our extended clip is ready, let's watch it.
I love, you guys see that? You see how it's seamlessly connected from that scene to that scene? And watch how that enhance all button made 4 different scenes in that 15 seconds. Watch this. It had the cat from outside the window. It had the view from the cat inside, looking inside the window. It's just incredible how this AI tool did it all for you. That's why the AI model is important. Look, the cat looks up at the window. Now it's looking into the window. Watch this. Now it's looking outside from inside. That's amazing.
Observe how seamlessly the original clip transitions into the newly generated extension. Access to
So guys, this is the Topview AI tool. Here's another training that I wanted you guys to see also. This is a gentleman here that's showing you how to use it as well. He's also an e-commerce guru, and he's showing you how to do the UGC style ads using this Topview tool. I'll even link this YouTube video down below in the description so you guys can watch this too. It's over 15 minutes long, showing you exactly how to do the same thing that I'm showing you right now.
Created by only putting a reference image of my product and nothing else.
My morning face was giving potato. Like genuinely, I'd look in the mirror and be like, who's this Pixar character? Then someone told me about this greens drink and I was like, okay, sure. But honestly,
look how real that looks. I mean, I can't tell a difference. Like, I used to be able to say, yeah, that's an AI video. Yeah, that's an AI video. And now I can't tell you guys if that's an AI video. Like, that's how good Seedance 2.0 is right now.
a week, my face started looking so much more defined. I just mix a scoop with water first thing in the morning. Takes 10 seconds, and I'm not even exaggerating. Look at my jawline right now. This is the first thing I've tried that I actually kept doing. If your face gets puffy like mine does in the morning, just try it.
So you can see this is pretty mind-blowing. I mean, not only does it really capture my product really accurately and also maintain all of the text on the actual supplement bottle, but the way that the girl is talking and moving has the exact same type of gestures as like somebody would be doing on a real TikTok.
Right.
This is what really gives like that natural UGC.
Yeah, it's a natural UGC style, guys. That is incredible. And it's a storyboard, so you can extend it out, make it longer, make it shorter, and use all the different features that Topview AI allows you to do. So pretty incredible, you guys. There's a lot of potential with this tool, Topview AI. I don't even have a discount code or an affiliate link with these guys. I just want you to know that this is, out of all the research that I've done, this is the best tool out there when it comes to using Seedance 2.0, making e-commerce videos, making story-like videos, making longer videos. If you just want to play with AI, maybe you might want to use that one tool I was showing you over here, which is called dvid. They have a $7 a month promo. You could make about 10 videos with Seedance 2.0 for $7 for the first month. But like I was saying earlier, it doesn't have that storyboard. It doesn't have that ability to really build it out and make it all good. This looks good,
I am obsessed,
but I can't make it like really build out like a story.
Perfectly,
and it doesn't have that AI video agent part where you could actually really, tap into the multi-different scenes and stuff that Topview has. Okay, so let's take a look at this other UGC style video that he made really quick here.
You literally only need like 2 drops. I just pat it in after washing my face. That's it. Nothing crazy. See? Like, that's not a filter. My skin is actually glowing right now. Seriously, just try it. You'll be mad you didn't start sooner.
So I think this one came out pretty well, to be honest. But as you can see, because I've generated all of these different clips, I can now just export all of these clips, and now I have a ton of different hooks that I can test for the exact same video ad angle. So now let's say you actually want to make your videos longer and you want to add more scenes on top of your existing video that you generated. What you can do is click on multi-scene down here, and at the very top, you can actually switch this to extend mode. And basically what this is going to do is allow us to create even more scenes based on the very last clip on our timeline. So you can see that it says clip 19. And if I click on the very last clip, you can see up here, it says clip 19. And then from here, we can just describe how we want that next scene to look like. Now to make this easy, what I can do is just paste in the exact script that I want for that next scene. Then I'm going to set the duration to maybe around 10 seconds. And this is really just me using my intuition. When I look at this script, I think this entire script can be said in just about 10 seconds. And then I'm going to press this little button, which is basically going to use AI to read my script, but then it's going to develop all the shots and everything for me.
Yes, that enhance button, guys, is genius. That's what really allows our scripts to really dive into something great using the enhance feature. And it's like, we're not feeding it other AI enhanced stuff. We're actually using the tool, the Topview AI tools AI advanced feature. A lot of times we're feeding it what ChatGPT says or Claude says, but we're actually using the AI's enhanced feature already on the tool that we're using, which I think is what makes it really accurate there.
Based around that script. So you can see we now have shot number 1 in the first 3 seconds. It's already creating the scene for us and exactly what she should say with that. And basically everything that I showed you guys earlier when we built out those previous ads. And then once that's good to go, we can go ahead and start the generation. Then we just wait to see the results. And then here's an example of how that actually turned out.
Like, I genuinely didn't think a powder was going to do anything. I was so skeptical. But my face is literally less puffy. I have more energy and I don't feel like a balloon after eating. It's 1 scoop. That's it. I don't know why I waited so long to try this.
So first things first, I know that the quality of the video is not that good. And this really goes back to what I had mentioned in this video, and that the sweet spot of getting good quality video is to have no more than 3 scenes. But I wanted to show you this feature anyways, because once this bug is fixed, this is going to be extremely useful so that you could basically create.
So guys, I hope you got a lot of value today from this video. I hope that you're excited to be using Seedance. I hope that out of all the tools that you've liked Topview the best, of course. And if you want more videos on how to use AI and how I'm going to be using it here shortly with 2 different brands that I'm working on, the Jelly Bra, as well as another AI trading company. They understand charts. It's called Snapchat. It's an AI trading company. I'm going to be making some AI videos for them too. And I'd love to show you guys how I'm going to be using it, how I'm going to be doing the same storyboard type stuff that you guys saw today. I'm definitely going to be using Topview for my dining chair covers too. And I mean, all it takes is one good hook, you guys, to really make a video go crazy on Facebook ads. Like, you could have a good video, but if you don't have a good hook, then that video doesn't matter. So I'm going to be really trying out different hooks using the Topview AI. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, learned a lot. Give this video a like, follow below. Let me know, Scott, I want to learn more about video AI stuff below, and I'd love to make some more videos for you guys. So signing out. Take care. Have a great week, everyone. And if I can get an affiliate link by Topview AI, I'm going to put it down below so you can sign up. All right. Ciao for now. Take care. Bye-bye.